Hello everyone, today I would like to show you the GB series of CNC bending machines, which are very popular in the market. It uses the original Italian imported Glorystar professional CNC system, multiple functions such as automatic calculations, programming, diagnostic, alarms. Simple and easy to operate. Inexperienced operators can easily operate in half a day of training. Equipped with a full set of high-performance hydraulic system from German Bosch Rexroth. Equipped with an Italian GV grating ruler, high-precision quick clamping device, multiple mechanical deflection compensation, rear material stopping system with high-precision linear guides and screws, movable from material bracket, engineer's configuration to guarantee the output of high quality and high precision workpiece. As you can see, it uses full touchscreen 2D graphic programming with 2D simulated bending. The programming software can automatically calculate bending procedure and anti-collision interference detection. The process of bending is generated in one click, simple and efficient. Lastly, the most important thing is the machines can be equipped with optional devices. For example, optional servo motor as the main power source of the hydraulic pump, energy saving and noise reduction. Also greatly improve production efficiency. Optional bending machine with a special safety life curtain, which can achieve a broad range of protection upgrade. For more information, kindly contact us to buy the right machine.